In a faraway forest, there's a warehouse boutique, brimming with packages stamped Feelunique, a civilization of brushes and pencils built on a foundation of beauty essentials. From there, our Parcel, one frostbitten night, led his cosmetic chums on a magical flight. Adorned with addresses and tied to balloons, their adventure began by the silvery moon. The snow leopard waved at this Parcel parade, and the reindeer waggled his antlers and brayed. The penguin flapped flippers and let out a squeak as a smile opened out on her bright orange beak. Then alone, our hero, as night became dawn, descended upon his intended front lawn to brighten your morning, your day and your week with warm season's greetings. Lots of love. Feelunique.